Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share some exercise which can improve your drawing very easily. All you need to do just practice these exercise every day. I have been in this field for quite a long now, but still I do this exercise regularly. So I hope this will help you as well as it helped me in improving my drawing. So let's get started the video with exercise number 1. First exercise is point to point. In this we draw 2 points and try to make a line crossing them. Sometimes it may go up or down, but keep trying. Then you can change even the direction of the line like this, and you can even go right to left, which is little difficult for right handy like me, and left to right, right to left, up to down, down to up. Like this, you can practice this exercise a full page every day. This will surely improve your ability of drawing. You no need to take a very good paper, just practice this exercise on newsprint sheet or any other paper and just go on and on until you finish this page. You can do this exercise even when you are talking on phone or not doing something which need your attention. I love doing this all the time. That was exercise number 1, point to point. Moving on to next exercise. For this, I am going to draw some simple shapes, not necessarily correct ones, but very simple shapes, and going to fill with lines. I will try to get the line between the box only and not let it come out. Even if it coming out at first, don't worry, because by the time and practice, you will manage to get the line between the shape only. Try it up to down, down to up. Make different shapes, small and big. Moving on to next exercise. For this as well, I am going to draw some shapes and fill them with just like above. But after completing this, I will do cross hatching. I will draw some cross line, which is also called cross hatching. See, as I am doing this for 2-3 times, now my lines are not going out of the shape. This exercise also can be done on a full page regularly. This will surely make you. This exercise will improve speed in drawing. So I'm going to fill all these boxes also with cross hatching. It is good we start with lines distance with each other and slowly move to lines near to each other. Like this, we can improve our drawing skills very easily. For this next exercise, I am going to draw shapes like before and fill them with shading. You see, I am using the same tool in every exercise. You can also choose your tool and do it with it all the exercise. I am moving very slowly at first and making it dark by drawing line closer to each other. Then slowly I will be moving to light. This is a very good exercise to get control over our tool. Whichever tool we using, we need to have a good control over it so that we don't do much mistakes while drawing, and it can save our time. I am doing it very slowly and I am feeling very good while doing this. Keep doing it as long as you feel to do it. Now I am going to draw another shape and do the same. In this, maybe I will go more dark than light. In this also, I am moving very slowly. In all the exercise, this is my favorite one as it makes me feel like meditating as the line goes near to each other, and I give my attention to this. Make every shape different to each other. Now I am going to do with straight lines. It is up to you how you want to fill your shape, but try to do in different angle. Sometimes you can go full dark at one side, then coming very light at sudden. I am really enjoying doing all this exercise. For this, I will start from down to top. This is little challenging. Don't go for a usual way always. So these were some exercise which I do personally to improve my drawing and keep going myself. Getting better in drawing is a process. It never comes overnight. We all need to practice it every day. These can be practiced even when you get a creativity block, when you don't know what to draw and feel like empty. You can start doing this exercise and these will surely on your creative side. As you can see, I am sharing very slowly. I am drawing the line very slowly. For shading in this, I am using only my wrist. That's all in this video. See you in next video with some more drawing exercise. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and comment below how you feel about these exercises. Many of you must be doing them already, and those who seeing it first time, please do try. These are amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.